In the stillness of the lunar morning, where the horizon blurs into the gentle curve of the moon's surface, the research base awakens. Here, nestled beneath a dome of protective structures, life follows a rhythm as measured as the celestial dance above. As a scientist on the moon, each day begins with a quiet sense of purpose, a commitment to unraveling the mysteries of this barren yet beguiling landscape. You step into the small communal kitchen where the hum of machinery provides a comforting backdrop. The air is filtered and recycled, carrying the faint scent of metal and recycled water. Breakfast is a simple affair, prepared from carefully rationed supplies, yet it provides the energy needed for the day's tasks. As you don your suit and prepare to venture into the laboratory, the enormity of your surroundings is both humbling and exhilarating. The laboratory is a haven of human ingenuity, filled with instruments and samples that tell stories of the moon's ancient past. Experiments are methodical, each step precise and deliberate. Outside the lunar surface stretches infinitely, an expanse of gray powder beneath a sky scattered with stars even in daylight. There is a profound silence, interrupted only by the soft whir of your equipment and the steady heartbeat of your own breath. This isolation, while serene, is also a reminder of the solitude that accompanies life on the moon. Communication with Earth is a lifeline, a voice across the void that connects you to the world you left behind. Daily routines blend into one another with maintenance tasks that ensure the habitat remains a safe haven. Filters are checked, solar panels adjusted, and systems monitored with meticulous care. The environment is stark, devoid of the sensory richness of Earth. The landscape is unchanging, yet within its simplicity lies a beauty that captivates the soul. As the day draws to a close, the research base becomes a sanctuary. You sit by the observation window, gazing out at the distant Earth, a small blue jewel in the vast cosmos. Here, amidst the isolation and routine, you find a quiet wonder in the endless possibilities that each new day on the moon may bring. Looking out at the stark lunar surface, it's easy to feel a connection to those who first dared to venture beyond Earth's cradle. Among these pioneers was an astronaut whose journey has inspired many, an individual whose passion for discovery paved the way for a sustained human presence on the moon. Their story begins far from this desolate landscape, in the hustle and bustle of a space agency's training grounds on Earth. Here, they honed their skills, preparing for the challenges and wonders of space travel. Each grueling simulation and meticulous briefing was a step closer to realizing a dream shared by humanity for generations. When the day finally arrived and the engines roared to life, the astronaut felt a mixture of anticipation and awe. The journey from Earth to the moon was a testament to human ingenuity, a voyage across the sea of stars that transformed the impossible into reality. Upon landing, the lunar surface stretched before them, a blank canvas waiting to be explored. Their research focused on understanding the moon's history, analyzing rock samples that held secrets billions of years old. Each discovery was a piece of the puzzle, revealing a little more about the moon's origins and its relationship with Earth. The astronauts' work laid the groundwork for future missions, transforming the moon from a distant celestial body into a stepping stone for human exploration. Here, on the lunar surface, they conducted experiments that would inform the logistics of establishing a permanent human presence. From developing techniques for harnessing lunar resources to constructing habitats that could withstand the moon's harsh environment, each breakthrough brought us closer to the vision of a thriving lunar colony. Their journey was not just a personal triumph, but a collective achievement, one that inspired space agencies and commercial entities alike to dream anew of lunar exploration. As plans for returning to the moon take shape, the societal and cultural implications of such endeavors begin to unfold. The prospect of living and working on the moon raises questions about our place in the universe and the legacy we wish to leave behind. Standing on the shoulders of those who came before, we contemplate the future, a future where the moon is not just a destination, but a new frontier for human endeavor. As we gaze toward the future, the moon reveals itself as a repository of untapped potential and enduring mysteries. Lunar geology, with its ancient craters and basaltic plains, offers clues to the early history of our solar system. The moon's surface is a tapestry waiting to be deciphered, each crevice a testament to cosmic events that shaped the planets. Scientists study these geological features, hoping to unlock secrets of planetary formation and the processes that continue to sculpt celestial bodies. The prospect of lunar colonization transforms these scientific inquiries into practical challenges. Establishing a permanent foothold on the moon requires overcoming formidable obstacles. Sustaining life in an environment with no atmosphere, harnessing local resources for water and fuel, and designing habitats resilient to extremes of temperature and radiation. These challenges, though daunting, inspire innovation and collaboration across borders and disciplines. Engineers and scientists work together, crafting solutions that not only ensure survival, but also promote thriving in this new frontier. The moon's potential extends beyond science and technology. As space agencies and commercial ventures plan their journeys, the moon is emerging as a hub for exploration, commerce, and international cooperation. The dream of lunar bases, where astronauts and researchers live and work, is intertwined with visions of mining operations that extract precious materials from the moon's regolith, fostering new industries and economies. Yet, as we stand on the precipice of this new era, we are reminded of the broader implications of our celestial aspirations. The moon, long a symbol of the unattainable, is becoming a tangible part of our human experience. Its exploration invites reflection on our values and responsibilities as stewards of both Earth and space. As we chart our course among the stars, we are called to consider the cultural and ethical dimensions of our journey. The moon, with its silent allure, beckons us to ponder not only what we will find there, but also what it will mean for our shared future. With each step forward, we are reminded that the quest to explore and understand the unknown is as much a journey within as it is among the stars. As we contemplate our lunar future, we find ourselves at the intersection of ambition and reflection, where the aspirations of space agencies meet the burgeoning interest of commercial enterprises. These entities, driven by the allure of discovery and potential profitability, are crafting plans to return to the moon with renewed vigor. Their goals are varied, from scientific exploration to the development of lunar tourism and resource extraction. This convergence of interests paints a picture of a vibrant and dynamic future, where the moon serves as a platform for innovation and collaboration. Space agencies, with their legacy of exploration, bring a wealth of experience and a commitment to advancing human knowledge. Their missions are carefully planned with a focus on safety, sustainability, and scientific discovery. They envision bases that serve as springboards for deeper space exploration, preparing humanity for journeys to Mars and beyond. Meanwhile, commercial entities, with their agility and forward-thinking approaches, introduce new models of space travel and habitation. Their initiatives often focus on making space more accessible, fostering a new era of participatory exploration where private citizens can also dream of walking on the lunar surface. As these plans unfold, the moon becomes a canvas for humanity's collective dreams and ambitions. Yet, with this opportunity comes the responsibility to ensure that exploration is conducted ethically and sustainably. The moon, a shared heritage of mankind, challenges us to create frameworks that balance exploration with preservation, innovation with respect for the natural environment. International treaties and agreements become essential, guiding our actions and ensuring that the moon remains a place of peace and cooperation. Societal and cultural implications ripple through these endeavors, inviting us to reflect on the narratives we construct about space and our place within it. The moon, with its timeless allure, stirs the imagination and evokes a sense of wonder that transcends borders. It invites artists, philosophers, and thinkers to reimagine what it means to be a part of the cosmos. As we prepare to return, we carry with us not just the tools of science and technology, but also the stories and aspirations of all who gaze up at the night sky, dreaming of what lies beyond. Through this journey, we are united by a shared vision of exploration that seeks to enrich our understanding of the universe and our place within it. In the quiet embrace of the lunar night, where shadows stretch across the familiar terrain, we find a moment of reflection. The moon, steadfast and serene, continues to inspire and challenge us, guiding our quest for knowledge and unity. As we stand at the threshold of this new chapter in exploration, we are reminded that the journey to the moon and beyond is as much about discovering the universe as it is about discovering ourselves. With each step we take on this celestial path, we carry with us the hope and wonder of all who look skyward, dreaming of the endless possibilities that await.